This wireless rotary kit from HAWINK combines a strong, consistent motor with a slim pen-style body that feels light in the hand and runs with impressively low noise for steady, comfortable sessions. The included wireless power pack uses a high-capacity lithium battery with a clear digital display, giving reliable performance and several hours of working time on a full charge at typical tattooing voltages. With a stroke length of 3.5 millimeters and up to 4 millimeters of adjustable needle depth, the machine offers enough versatility for lining, shading, and softer color work in a single setup. The set arrives as a true all-in-one bundle, supplying the pen, power supply, multiple sterile cartridges, several colors of ink, cups, gloves, grip wrap, transfer sheets, and practice skins so you can start working immediately. Build quality feels solid for the category, with stable power delivery and minimal vibration, which helps newer artists develop cleaner technique while still being capable enough for experienced users as a compact travel rig. HAWINK also backs the kit with responsive support, which is reassuring if you are learning and want guidance on setup, maintenance, or replacing consumable parts over time.